Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing loose dust so the cleaner works. Use a soft microfiber and sweep from top to bottom. Dampen the cloth, do not soak, and apply cleaner to the cloth, not the glass, to avoid drips. Once done, make sure to reach the edges near vents and seams where grit hides. This first sweep prevents scratches. It also reveals stubborn spots you'll treat next. Move deliberately, keep the cabin ventilated, and prepare a clean second cloth for polishing. You now attack grease and film. Apply a 1:1 water and isopropyl mixed to a fresh microfiber and work a small area with circular motions to lift oil. Once the film breaks up, switch to linear strokes to avoid streaks and to align fibers. For vents and tight seams, use a damp cotton swab to extract residue, then immediately follow with the dry side of the cloth to prevent redepositing grime. Make sure to rotate cloth sections. You finish by buffing with a clean, dry microfiber. Use an S pattern so you catch every streak. Once done, inspect the glass from multiple angles. Sunlight or a flashlight reveals any remaining haze. If you see small smudges, reapply cleaner to a tiny corner of the cloth and rebuff. Make sure to avoid pressure that could push grit into the surface. If scratches or persistent haze remain, consider a dedicated glass polish or professional service. This prevents worsening damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.